Oh, hello, beautiful people! Welcome back to our channel, Chris and Pink. For today's video, I have Chica! Charis. Guys, I was just here doing some TikTok. Oh, well, don't mind my background later. It will be very noisy because of our laundry ongoing. But anyway, without further ado, I was doing TikTok today when there's someone ring the bell and I was just thinking, what is it? Who is it? No one is going to be home at this hour. Ka-OA. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you that the package is here. I've been waiting for this, like, for 3 days. There's a little bit scratch open, but I think that doesn't matter. Yeah, it's a little bit scratch, but I'm excited. Daghan may order because for the upcoming wedding. So, let's see. Sabay-sabay tayo. Some of these are crisp stuffs that we wanted to use. Let's see. 1, 2. 2 of this is ala, medyo gubayahang box. But anyway, mag-unboxing rata din eh. Car phone mount. Parang siya sa car. Kanang, yung ibatang dato para may phone holder ka. And let's see what's inside. Total na open naman siya. I-open na lang din na to. I think this is the sticker nga imong gamiton para itapik siya. And this is it. Oh, that's so perfect. Pwede din mo siya i-portrait. Pwede din mo siya i-landscape. And rotate! Rotate siya! Bongga! I think I'll be happy about this. Kani siya nga isa is for me when I'm vlogging and I wanted it to be in that specific space and steady siya. Hindi na ako siya kailangan gunitan. Nakuha siya ingon ana, then ma-rotate. That's very clever, you know. And for Chris, the other one is for him because tak-an na siya sa iyang phone holder nga napalit na gihigad. Kaya dili daw ko nung steady. Mag-rotate siya. Anyway, hindi na ito na ayuhon, guys. And next one is looks like a t-shirt. We'll see. Oh, right. Oh god, another t-shirt. Supposed to be crop top, but it's not. Dili siya crop top, guys. Kay kuan. Kay gamay ko. So, na t-shirt siya. Ato siyang isuot later. Fix na to na. But later lang. So, ano mo guys? Next one is, what's this? What's this mga palangga? Wait lang. Small pieces box. Big, small. I don't wanna open that. I won't open sana. Hala, it's very cutie. Nag-ano ko guys, nagpapalit ko sa yaha og bucket and then ipapili ko niya og unsa kada ko gitagamit ako nig dako og dato niya ako dili kay dako ra kayo. Ala ko gamay lang. Ano oy, very cute si guys. Parin siya sa kong buhok kung mag-wash ko, kailangan ako og cold niya. Di ko ganahan kung ano gani kanang hot kay kudaot akong hair. Uy, ka very cute si Malani. Hinog ana. Oh my god, patay dyan ko ni meron. Yan na siya nga dako kay kung kanay gamay na daw ko kayo. Okay, lagi na, sure, lagi ko. Gamay kayo. Hala, magdaog. Kalokohan, hindi ni mo day. Good luck yun sa yung mambana yun. Ano, bitaw ka? Dako pa. Suling na ko dako ang kabo. Kabo ka. Alright guys. Up. So this is a nakabo. Kasulod. Oh my god. Sorry, Dom. Sorry. I messed it up. Next. Next is, okay, naka-remember ko kung nang dress ni siya. This is the dress. Ay, kasaksi sa likod. So, wait for summer para masuot na to ni guys. But it's nice. It's sexy. What's this? This one! Finally! I got my heater nga kanang leggings. But this one, I need this socks. May longer one. Kay Para ni siya kung mag-dress ko. Hindi ko gusto uy, ka-perfect! I love it. So, tulo na siya kabuok, guys. No, actually, upat siya lang ga. Ay, wait lang. Yes, upat siya! Ka-perfect. Thank you, love. Upat siya kabuok. And next, daghan siya, guys. Belt. Yeah, this is belt. I think that's great for work. Kaya medyo ano na daw. Ano? Another one? I don't know how many of this smartphone holders yung gipalit. And this one, I think this one is his tools. Yeah, ratchet wrench. Basta mo ano to. And this one, guys, is, yeah, the same tools na gyapon niya sa car. This one is the serum. I need this. And, oh, finally, I have more argan oil. Right. This one, guys, is the serum. Wait lang. I'm gonna show you. That's the serum. Focus, baby, focus. And this one is the argan oil. Oh, see that? That's argan oil for my hair. Kaya more nag-dry siya. Oy, wala na! Waiting for the next package. Charis. So, let's try this one, B. Remove the ring first. And then, let's try the argan oil. Agad-agad. Siyempre. Test. Oh, my lip shiner is not yet here. The eye. Stock separated. So, ay! Shoot. Hala, kamot. Pero guys, naninira siya kutob ang iyang sulod. We'll see. Saan pagbutang? Warning. Where? For external use only. Direction for safe use. Drop 2 to 3 drops on your hand. Apply it evenly on hair and massage until absorbed. 2 to 3 drops daw ko ng mga pangga. So let's open. Ang nato dira ka basig matumba na. And drop 1, 2, 3. Sobra na to. Ayaw na kay taghan na kay basig mayawan ta. And then rub. Rub. Uy, hala. Ka-nice. Oh, diba, rub gently. Dun. Hala ka, nami siya. Nami ka siya sa feeling. Soft. Dili siya kanang kuan. Kana ganing murag malagkit. Guys, mura ra jud kag nagbutang og water. But it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I love it now. I love it now. See? Hala mga pangga, I love it. But we'll see. I'll tell you the result after a month. Syempre after a month, lain pagkag after a week. Normal ra magid na siya nga. Nindot at first, nabutang. But we'll see the result. Hala, ka-soft. Oh, nami na. Ala! Manol day. Alright, that's it. That's it, mga pangga. Wait lang. Hey, I'm gonna love this. And the serum, well, of course, mga pangga, as you can see, this is the serum. This is 5 in 1. Ay, baliktad eh. Ay, sorry kaayo. 5 in 1. Professional Jason. Charis. How to use that? Ganahang ko sa kong direction of safe use. Clean and dry the face. Take out the product. Squeeze a proper amount of liquid on the palm of face. Churba. And gentle massage. Wow! Kabungga. Mugwapan na guro ko ani guys. Oh my gosh. Kadaghan ba? Kadaghan sa gi-order. Yan na pa gipaabot. Ay, I'm so happy. I thought di ay mga magbiyahe nung padong dito sa iyahang dad before this one will arrive. Wow! Medyo na-worry gamay ang Jumega. But since it arrives today, I'm expecting the other package to be arriving by tomorrow. Hello, ganahan ko ano sa kong hair ba? I love this. Makatipid ka. Makatipid ka ano niya. Pero, wala. Good luck kita ni mo. Gininginom lang. This is my bucket and kabo. See that small balde? Oh. Or sa imong tubig niya mo ni siya imuhang kabo. Ala. Anaon na lang ako siya, guys. Dili na lang nako na siya padakuon akong kabo. Anaon na lang. Ito ni ana kay para marag my door. For my hair. Ala, katawan gid ko ni sa kong partner. What the heck did you order? Actually, siya ang nag-confirm. So, yan yung tala. Just kidding. Pero all in all, mga pangga, I'm 95% happy with this. Happy, of course. Siyempre. Pero mahibong ko, guys. Oh, tulad yun ko, palit niya. Ay, siguro sa iya hapon ng work truck ng isa. That's why. Maybe. Hindi naman sa lang iyang kuan. Mount dito sa iyang work truck. Pero dili lang niya ma-portrait iyang phone. Kaya medyo lapad ko siya. Kain siya nga type. And then kani ma-rotate niyo mo siya. So, easier. Kung gusto niyo siyang i-ana. Diba? I-side view niyo mo gamay. Or yung mukhang i-focus imong self. Bangga. I love it. That's all, guys. Thank you for staying with me and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.